All right, hey everybody. So I just wanted to make this video to get us set up as we begin Unit 1 and making sure that we're staying organized with our Google Drives. So after watching this video, you're going to do what I'm doing now. So just take note, and when you launch yours, open your Google account, make sure you go to the Google Drive by clicking this button. Now you should see your folder that we made in the beginning of the year, in the beginning of Unit 0. This is the title, 2020 to 2021 8th grade year. And then within this folder, you have each of your classes. Now, I really want to make sure our English folder is staying organized. So when I open this, I can see I have copy of two different documents. And you know from working through the lessons on our class site that as you've done each of these lessons, you will automatically be prompted to make a copy. So you will have a copy of all these on your drive. Now it's just a matter of if it's being kept in the right place, which is this English folder. So you can see that I obviously forgot to put my documents in the right place, and I want to make sure I'm staying organized. So let me show you how to go find those and how to put them in the right place right now. I'm going to go back to my drive by clicking my drive. So this is like where everything's at. Remember, this is not organized, and I want you to stay organized. So I'm going to look for those documents. And I know all my documents that I kind of make for this class or I get from our lessons, they say copy of. So these are all belonging, should be placed in that English folder. So I'm going to click. Here's a little shortcut also. If you click the Shift key on your keyboard and you hold on to it, you'll be able to select more than one document at a time. So I just selected all of these. I could either drag them or I can right click and I'm going to move them. Now I want to put them in this folder, but not just here. I want to put them inside my English folder. So I'm going to move them there. Let's go back up to the top. Now I'm going to open this folder again, open my English folder again, and all those documents are there. Of course, you're going to have actually all the documents from Unit 0. I just grabbed a few so I could show you that little trick in case you weren't staying organized along the way. Now, I hope with Unit 1, you will be maintaining this drive, and I'll provide little notes along the way to make sure keep your drive organized. Okay, so we're within our English folder right now, but we're about to start a new unit. These all belong to Unit 0. We're about to start Unit 1. So in order to keep this drive from getting too crazy and having too many documents, we're going to make a new folder for Unit 0. And that was our Intro to 8th grade unit. So I'm going to make that folder. And I'm going to drag all these up there. Again, I'm going to click the Shift key and then click the bottom one, and it'll take all of those documents for me. I'm going to click on them and I'm just going to drag them this time. And now they will be in this folder. That's all my Unit 0 stuff. So in case I ever want to go back and look at something or reference some notes, it's organized. It's really, really important to be organized. So now we're starting Unit 1. I'm going to make a folder for Unit 1, and that is our Writer's Workshop unit. Okay, so now that I have this, everything that I make from my class, or from our class site, so when I'm on Lesson 1 for Unit 1 and I'm making copies of these documents, it'll prompt me to make a copy. Now, it'll automatically just be put in here, not in any particular folder. But again, you have two different strategies of moving documents. You can click them and drag them like I just showed you, or you can right click and click on move and then follow the prompts and the arrows to put them in the right folder. So as you start opening documents for Unit 1, they're going to automatically be put in here, but make sure that you're maintaining an organized folder. So add them here along the way. Again, I'll add some notes after certain after certain lessons to remind you to keep this organized. So go ahead and do that on your own drive now.